everybody. I am Professor Hypothesis. I am from Suburba, if you don't know. Let's talk about the life cycles of animals in Florida. So, all living things have life cycles. A life cycle is how an animal changes from birth as it grows into an adult like me. Even some people call me a child still though, but I am an adult. So life cycle stages include birth, growth, reproduction, and then death. Anyways, life cycles vary from animal to animal. Many animals are born looking similar to their parents. For example, when a foal is born, its body A foal? What is a foal? Nobody knows what a foal is, like a baby deer or something. I'm going to go get something that I think you will like. And it's very easy to make a connection to it because we all know something. I will be right back. We have the puppy. Hello. This is Larry. He is a cute little puppy. He is what they call a valley dog. You are an English bulldog and a boxer. So now, throughout his life cycle, he will not change much differently than this. He will get bigger and bigger. His head will get bigger, but nothing really changes about him. He will always have his floppy ears. He will always have his cute little tongue and cute little face and his paws. So he will just get bigger and bigger, just like you will get bigger and bigger. So this is one cute little life cycle that we love. Isn't that Larry? This is Larry. I am Professor Hypothesis. Why are you biting? You got to quit the biting. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay, say goodbye. So now hold on. Sorry, Larry. Larry, you go crazy. Okay, I know. This is the first time that you are on TV. Say hello to the fourth graders of Westgate. So now, Larry will also keep his golden coat, his nice golden tan coat. Did I hear somebody say gold? Oh, I see that gold there, Professor Hypothesis. Give me that nice gold right now. Oh, look at this gold right here. This gold is great. Oh, you all. What kind of gold is this? I've never seen gold. This is a very cute gold, but this isn't the gold that... That's not gold. But maybe you know where the gold is. Can you sniff out that gold? You can sniff out that gold?
This is my dog. Come here, Larry.
Nothing. Happy trails to me. Okay, that cowboy Calvo's. Oh, he's coming in. Anyway, oh, wasn't Larry so cute? Oh, I love the puppies. Anyway, I am back on page Z35. So, other animals only begin to resemble their parents as they grow. A frog hatches as a tadpole, which has a tail but no legs and gills so they can breathe underwater just like the fishes. Okay, anyway, it cannot survive out of the water. As the tadpole grows, its tail disappears. It grows legs. It develops these lungs for breathing and increases in size. It is then able to move between water and land and land and water. Ribbit. Anyway, on the following pages, you will learn more about different kinds of the animal life cycles. Let's do it! Okay, we are now on page Z36, and we are talking about the complete metamorphosis. So some animals, such as butterflies, moths, Frogs and salamanders develop through a life cycle called complete metamorphosis. That's my echo. Anyway, in complete metamorphosis, there are 4 different life stages, and the organism looks different in each stage. So in the insect group, a primary stage of complete metamorphosis is the larval stage. A larva is a worm-like form with no wings. It hatches from the egg and then spends most of its time eating. In fact, a larva can eat several times its body weight each day. Mealworms and caterpillars are types of larvae. You might have seen that in your earlier grades when you do the butterfly in the classroom and you watch the little wormies walking around. Well, that is the larvae stage. The next stage is the pupa or pupa stage. Not pupa. Pupa. I said poop. Anyway, during this stage, the animal develops a hard shell or case around itself and does not move or eat. Butterfly caterpillars make chrysalises, and moth caterpillars make cocoons. Inside these shells, the pupa's body changes rapidly. Caterpillars become butterflies or moths, and mealworms become darkling beetles. I love you, yeah. The beetles, so good. Your parents will get it. Anyway, the final stage of complete metamorphosis is the adult stage. The insect emerges from its shell. It has wings, antennae, and legs, and other body parts that they did not have during the other stages. The adult insect lays no eggs, and the cycle begins again. It's the circle of life. Anyway, you can see all this complete metamorphosis on page 36. So go look at those pictures. Thank you. The next one is called the incomplete metamorphosis. Anyway, the grasshoppers, crickets, praying mantises, damselflies, and dragonflies, and cockroaches. Ugh, I hate the cockroaches. Are some insects that go through incomplete metamorphosis. Anyway, during incomplete metamorphosis, an insect develops in three stages, instead of 4. And in each stage, the insect contains incomplete versions of structures it will possess or have in a later stage. These stages are the egg stage, the nymph stage, and the adult stage. At the end of the first stage, the insect hatches from the eggs. When it hatches, it is called a nymph. A nymph is a small version of an adult insect. However, a nymph does not have the wings, or parts that help with reproduction. During the nymph stage, a nymph spends most of its time eating and growing. The change is gradual. As it grows, it sheds its skin. This process is called molting. The final stage of incomplete metamorphosis is the adult stage. During this stage, the nymph reaches its adult size. It may have grown rings, and its reproductive systems have fully developed. Female adults mate and lay eggs, beginning the life cycle once again. And you can see this on page 37. You can also go to the computer and look up videos of all these things. They are fascinating. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful thing right here, Larry. So this is the life stage. This is the life stage of the puppies, of all animals, of insects. You learned about the life stages of plants as well. And I had so much fun with you. I will see you all some other time. Goodbye, goodbye. Say goodbye to Larry.